and welcome to Creatures Docking Station. I'm Magpie-angel and this is Sciencia. Yeah, Creature Docking Station world that I'll be working on for this video. As you can see, there's already a thing alive here. Didn't mean to hit you. She's a friendly banshee grendel. The moment she's the only thing in this world, so that will change. Basically these videos will be to document the coming generations of different norns. I'm just gonna hatch some females, so we have a wide starting pool. Not many people might know Creatures. It was an old game, and as much as I love it, it wasn't that widespread. I don't think you could ever say it was a really popular game, but it does still have quite a following to it, so that's good. And we've got Creatures 4 coming out soon, which I'm really looking forward to. A few more females, and then we can start hatching some males to put them into the C1 to DS world. I'll go through the breeds for you in a minute, but besides this last one here that I just put in the incubator, they're all in-game breeds. They're so official. This is Abby, the Magna-non. Annette, the Harlequin-non. Alexia, the Hardman-non. I've got little Mabel down there as well. I should probably keep them away from the Hardman-non because, well, they're not the best of friends. Now we've got a new Zebra-non, a Seda. This video is more to document, to see if there is a possibility to actually have a connection with these nons, because it was one of the hardest in the series to connect to them. They didn't live as long as the others, and people struggle quite a lot to get attached to them. And it's a problem I have as well, in the fact that I look at them more as scientific breeding projects. And this is Ankla, the Bengal Lesnesias. Pretty nons, but I've had a couple of genetic problems with them before. So we'll have to see how that goes. Now to hatch some males. I don't really like Bondi nons because, I don't know, they're just a bit, oh no, the males are fine. I just have a problem with the females because they look a bit lovely. Oh yeah, we'll put in Ghost Hands Deep nons, why not? And people are teleporting. Yay. I'll put that in there so they don't have that problem, because they won't be able to get out. The whole point of this is to do a alpha female male sort of domination, you know, sort of who breeds first, like Jessica Discover Albia's one. instead of using chaos commands, they'll only be able to have one egg at a time, so they'll be kept around a little longer. And hopefully smaller in numbers, which is always a problem. I had in worlds with the chaos commands on for multiple eggs. Fun, but very, very exhausting to look after so many. So we have our first male. This is Albero. He's a Twilight Non by Grendel Man. That's Iamol. He's a fairy frost nod. They were released for the CCSF this year. I was really excited about them being released. After all, it's not often we get a new breeding project in the community. Here is Akajiro. I have the auto never on, so yeah, he's a drain nom. I can't remember exactly who made them, but they are very pretty. I do love them quite a lot. Stop. Albrecht is a deep gnome by Ghost Hand. I have to say I'm quite a fan of Ghost Hand. I do love her creations. So I normally snap up whatever comes around as soon as they're made. There's a Bondino called Axe. He's a in-game route, although you had to buy him from the store. And Beowulf, known called Arbo. So we'll see where this leads. He'll become alpha male, he'll become alpha female. I'll post another video as when they're ready for order, and then you can see how they've grown and changed. The one you'll notice who changes the most will be Albrecht, because they have very special sprites all through their lives. They change quite dramatically, both males and females, so he won't actually always look like this as you see him now. And that's enough from me from this video, and I hope to see you soon. Oh wait, no, hang on, there's a death. Oh, Mabel, the Grendel has died. Oh dear. Oh, yes, better put these back. It's a shame, I liked Mabel. I always like to have a Grendel in the wild, because, I don't know, it just sort of keeps things lively, so I'll probably put another one of them in, so it'll be a different one by the time you come back, so I'll speak to you soon. Bye.